Hello, my dear friends. We are going to create this intro. Okay, click video, then video landscape. Then go to element and search sea beach. In video section, select this video and make it background. Then go to text and write sea beach. Change font. And color. Resize this text. Add shadow effect. Okay, now download it PNG format. Then delete this font and background also. Then add this PNG format image and make it background image. Okay, now go to element section and search plane. See all and find out this plane. Then rotate this plane 90 degree. Resize this plane. Do it very carefully. Then go to element and add shape. Change this color into red. Resize this shape. Copy this and paste. Rotate this shape. Cover plane. Very carefully. Again copy this and paste. Do it same manner. Okay, then click here and cover all this photo and expand this. Now click this plane and go to layer, bring to front. Now in keyboard section press Ctrl A and make it group. Okay, go to 3 dot and duplicate this space. Now text, add text. Welcome. Change font. Change font color. Add animation. And decrease time duration. Copy it and again paste. Now right here 2. Okay, now we are going to add transition effect. We add match and move transition and duration will be 2.5. Then select second page, then drag and move this plane. Now see the magic. Thank you viewers. I hope you enjoy this video. Never forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends.